my stars, and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting the sun. These are the colors that you'll be needing. Yellow, orange, light orange, white, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget, subscribe on YouTube and share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag fingerpaintingstar for your chance to shine as our artist of the week. Let's begin. This is going to be a super fun and fast finger paint. I'm going to start off with the orange and I'm going to kind of make a circle, but I want to make sure that I leave enough of this orange paint. And now I'm going to go into the yellow. I really wanted to make a nice sunshine painting just because I found that when I was little, I wanted to paint the sun all the time, but it always just ended up looking like everybody else's sun. So I wanted to make a super fun and quick finger painting video to show you how to do this. So I put the yellow on the inside and yellow on the outside of that orange. And now I'm going to put a little bit of white in the center, just a little bit, just a splat. And I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just going to take that white and pull out, whoop, like so. And I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. Like a big plus sign or a big X would work. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in between. Whoop. Let's do a bigger one. This is a fun way to get all of those sun rays and sunbeams and make it look super fiery. You just kind of go around. But see, you show that bright, dark circle because we painted that first. And you're getting these bright, bold sunshine bits all the way around. Okay, and you can keep going and adding a little bit here and there. But the next thing I'd like to do is go back in with our yellow and our white and throw a little bit of yellow in the center. I'm gonna actually mix the white and yellow and create a nice, super light yellow color. Because if you actually look up at the sun, don't actually do this. Don't look at the sun. But if you did, you'd notice that it's very bright and almost white. So I'm gonna take it and make just kind of a round shape. I'm not trying to color everything in. I'm just making this round shape. And I'm gonna kind of just blend it around in a circle. And that is going to be my sun. There it is. Super fast, super easy, how to make a very beautiful sun with only your fingers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. I love painting sunshine and happy things, and I hope that you do as well. Until next time, sending you guys lots of love and happy painting. Bye!